If you want your Shopify store to go from this to this, make sure that you watch this video to the end, because I'll be giving you some of the methods that you can use to increase the sales of your Shopify store. By the end of this video, you'll have known how you can increase the sales of your Shopify store. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can increase the sales of your Shopify store. So by the end of this video, you'll have known what you can do to increase the sales of your Shopify store. So guys, make sure that you grab a piece of paper and a pen, because there is some important information that you'll want to note down. If you're a seller on Shopify and you're looking for ways of increasing the sales of your Shopify store, I assure you that you don't want to miss this video. So guys, stay around as we cover some of the ways that you can increase the sales of your Shopify store, because some of the methods that I'm going to show you in this video have been used by several sellers and they've been successful. And if you haven't subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss any other new videos that will be coming up about dropshipping and e-commerce. So without wasting any time, let's dive in and cover some of the methods that you can use to increase the sales on your Shopify store. In the first place, we shall talk about market and product research. Market and product research is the backbone of e-commerce and dropshipping. Before you worry about any other thing about dropshipping and e-commerce, make sure that you take your time and research about your target market, and then research about a winning product that will be suitable for your target market. Because remember that even if you have all the other things right, but you don't have a winning product, all your hard work of research and promotion and making ads will be in vain. So the main thing that you want to do is take your time, do research, and identify a product that will solve a problem, and this winning product will go ahead and bring you all the sales that you want in your Shopify store. So guys, always put into consideration market and product research whenever you're thinking about running a successful dropshipping business. And for those that are new on this channel, on the previous video I had covered about how you can identify a winning product for your Shopify store. So you can always go back and check on my previous video about how you can identify a winning product. So the first factor that you can consider when you're looking for ways of increasing the sales of your Shopify store is identify your target market, and then identify a problem and then a product that will come and solve that problem. So once you identify a product that will come and solve that problem, you will be able to attract all the possible customers to your store, and that's how you'll be getting all the sales that you want. So always take your time to do your research so that you can identify that winning product that will give you all the sales that you want, so that your hard work does not go in vain. And another way that you can increase the sales on your Shopify store is optimizing your online store. Remember that in e-commerce, presentation is key. And always remember to take your time and make your online store as presentable and professional as possible. So always remember to use high quality images on your online store, and also always remember to be brief and to the point when writing your product description. Another factor that you can consider when looking for ways of increasing the sales of your Shopify store is product marketing. Just like market and product research, product marketing is also one of the main factors that you should consider when you're planning to run a successful dropshipping business. So if you're a seller and you're looking for ways of increasing sales on your Shopify store, always put emphasis on your product marketing, because remember that you're competing with established sellers in the ecosystem like Walmart and Amazon. So give buyers a reason for them to click on your store and go ahead and purchase a product from you. Because if your marketing is trash, then the sales of your store will also be trash. So I'll go ahead and show you some of the ways that you can market your products on Shopify. If you don't have a budget put aside for marketing, you can use the organic way that most of the sellers are now using. in the organic way, you go ahead and purchase a product that you want to sell on your Shopify store, get it delivered to your address or your home, and then make a video using that product and show the audience or your target market how that product can be used to solve a problem. So for instance, if you bought this wine bottle opener, this one, the one that you can see right here, if you bought this wine bottle opener, you'd go ahead and make a video and show the public or your target market how this wine bottle opener can be used to open wine bottles. Post it on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and repeat the process. Once that video goes viral and picks traffic, put the link in the bio of your TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, so that if a customer is among the viewers, they'll go ahead and click the link in the bio and then access your online store. Then they'll go ahead and purchase a product like this one, like I told you. They'll go ahead and purchase the product. So once you identify the problem, then identify a product that will be able to solve the problem that the customers have, they'll go ahead and click the link in your bio, and then that link will lead them to your store, and then they'll go ahead and purchase the product from your store. So make sure that you put a lot of time and concentration on product marketing, because without marketing, don't expect to get people coming to your online store to purchase product. But if you're lucky and have a budget set aside for product marketing, you can promote your product by paying for ads. Again, going back to making ads, we shall do the same thing. Buy a product that you want to sell, make a video of the product and show your target customers how the product works, and post the video of the product on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. And since you have a budget set aside for marketing, go ahead and create an ad campaign product video, and once the ad reaches the target market, the buyers will be able to click on the link of the video, and the link will be taking them direct to the store. So that goes to those that have a budget set aside for product marketing. Just make a video of the product, post a video on social media, and then create an ad campaign. And the next on how you can increase the sales on your Shopify store, we have offering discounts and promotion. You can increase the sales on your Shopify store by creating discount codes on your Shopify store. You can offer discounts to some buyers from your store by creating discount codes. This can be done on your Shopify store. Like for the seller side, there's an option that lets you create discount codes. You can post these codes on your storefront that when a customer sees it, they will be motivated to go ahead and browse through your products and end up purchasing something from your store. So always consider to use that option of creating discount codes for the customers so that you can entice them come and purchase something from your store. And lastly, you can also increase the sales on your Shopify store by offering free shipping. You can offer free shipping to your customers and still have profits. By this, you can use a method called loss leader. Increase the retail price of the product, and the new difference in the retail price of the product will be the one to come and cover up for the shipping costs. The customer sees that your product will be shipped freely, they will be enticed and tricked to come and purchase from your store. So this is something big, and as you can see, Amazon does this, where they tell you that maybe if you buy products that are more than $50, they'll give you free shipping. So you can also employ something like that. Give them a deal that if you buy products that are more than $30, we shall give you free shipping. And once you do that, customers will be tricked and enticed into buying more products, and that will help you to increase your sales. So always remember to use some of the methods that I've given you to help you increase the sales of your Shopify store. If you've reached this part of the video and you haven't subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss any other new coming videos about dropshipping and e-commerce. Thanks for watching.